What if you get unskippable ads on your AR glasses?
Oh no.
You're just like
Click the link to continue watching the
Okay.
world.
I mean, put it in the way of like movies where they kind of like, if you really pay, Transformer movies are easy. You know there's a Bud Light truck getting on.
Yeah.
Bud Light. Other movies aren't so easy where it's just you see these advertisements around them like, oh, that's actually a Coke bottle. Or
I wonder
he's
if
driving
like
it heavy.
if governments will use it as well. Like if you are like walking in AR glasses and you see like some like meeting of like, I don't know, Trump supporters and it goes like black, like censored, and you can see it.
that would be weird.
And with headsets, you won't hear it, and like, I think that could be a Black Mirror episode.
That is a Black Mirror episode.
Yeah.
He gets banned, and then he can't see anyone,
Yeah.
and no one can see him.
Yeah.
And hear
He's
him.
just like walking like, yeah.
It's freaking
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah. I think in terms of the more like what's coming soon is the OTT services, the over the top, which is like the Netflix streaming services. I mean, the streaming wars are crazy right now. Netflix is pushing a movie a week because I think that's the thing that Disney Plus is a huge threat over Netflix because they have a lot more original property.
Well, they
IPs.
started pulling the Disney
And
properties
Variety.
off of
off
of Netflix. So it's just like fuck.
So Netflix is on their heels in the sense, but also like the next thing they're going to be adding eventually is what Hulu has already is the ads. Like Netflix might eventually be having some pre-roll or mid-roll ads.
No,
Because-
but I get
Oh, no.
it.
Because obviously more people are going to be on it, and it's like that's where the attention is. That's the thing. Marketers ruin everything.
Or they can,
I would say if you pay for a subscription, you shouldn't see an ad.
Well,
Like YouTube Premium.
Hulu's model is
Yeah.
pretty interesting. There's they have like a low cost one where it's like you have access to all the content with ads, and then the higher tier one where there's no ads.
Yeah.
or they can
That's
pull
fair.
a human show and just put their ads in their movies.
Yeah, just make it seamless.
Cool.
Right?
Yeah,
Product
dude.
placement.
Like, ooh, what car is that villain driving? Oh, it's an Audi. Okay, well,
Oh,
that'd be
Alright,
interesting.
cool.
Like,
it's
'cause
an Audi ad.
Yeah, like floating price tag appears.
that would be crazy. Because
Integrate the ads.
the problem I was
Wait a
thinking with it is like it's gonna be a hard set. But what if in each movie ad can be changed? Say like you're talking about a car asset, like whoever paid for that moment, whatever 3D car comes in, it changes. It might be like an Audi for this version, or
Oh,
Dodge or
shit.
something.
or a Dodge for this scene. They never say like, oh, like I like. They never say the name, but like, oh, I love your car. It's like, yeah, recently got it.
I
Then
just
it
got
comes
it.
in, and then it
It's a
just comes in
fucking
and
Shelby.
It changes based off your like.
based off who paid the ad dollars to be on that spot. So it stays seamless with it.
But it's like
Spy car.
Because
it's easier to prepay. I think for brands to
Spy car.
like how it happens right now. Like
yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Like it's easy but what if like you can pay to change the experience in the middle of the movie or the commercial? So like that way, it's like one of those like how you can pay for a spot in the middle in the commercial. You can pay for a spot in the middle of the movie while it's all happening. Like there's a product placement right here, but it's green screened. So whoever pays for it, a different logo will show up or product will show up.
Bruh. Imagine like you're
That sounds
watching
like a lot
a
of
movie, then you look up Mexican food, and then suddenly in your movie it changes from like
They're like
poke
eating
to
to fucking Chipotle bowl.
Chipotle's not
Chipotle
Mexican.
bowl or something.
That's not
I know.
Mexican though.
Mexican.
Nah.
It's Mexican to New Yorkers. Let her.
It's Mexican to New Jersey because New Jersey has nothing.
That's true.
Yo, like, but
too
I
cold.
have to make my own.
But
shit.
yeah, I mean,
It's too cold.
imagine.
pretty sure that
it's too cold for good food.
they're trying to figure out how to
Not for
make
bagels, though.
advertisements more of a thing in movies because they're already in movies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I remember watching, I think Iron Man 2 or Iron Man 3, and it
Probably
was,
3.
I think there was a scene with RDJ talking to Pepper Potts, and then a fucking nicely placed Pepsi can was in between them.
Pepsi, boom,
So-
it's a Pepsi commercial.
I think that was 3.
So yeah,
Three.
but again,
even fucking Burger King in the first one.
Audi, yeah.
Again,
Shawarma.
imagine
Verizon
if
in
you
the
can
first
just
one with the
change it
phones.
right then and there. Like my experience would be different. Like I would see an Audi, Joey would see a friggin' I don't know, a Prius, Max would see
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Tesla.
a Tesla.
That's the Cybertruck.
So
I'd see an Aston Martin.
that'd be crazy. That'd be some next level ads.
I would see some Russian tanks. I don't know.
So you're Russian tech.